Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning in to my channel today, and this is just a little video on these items. These are the only items that I have for Three Kings Day, the Three Wise Men. This item here, this was actually my mom's. May she rest in peace. And isn't this beautiful? Look at that. I plan to touch up the rest of it, like the borders, but this part, even though it doesn't look clear, but that's the way this is supposed to be. Isn't that beautiful? So you can hang this somewhere like that, or you can just place it there. So these are the only items that I have. Then I got the snowmen. Now these, I believe I got them at those Dollar Power stores a while back. Might have been maybe the Dollar Tree, I don't know, but I've had these for like years. And look how cute. I wanted to share this with you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I have a whole bunch of snowmen in my collection, but these are my favorite. And they're very delicate too. You can see that their noses are so pointy. So when I store them, I have to store them away, with maybe tissue paper, foam, somewhere where they won't break. And I've had them for years and they haven't broken. So being that today is the Three Kings Day, okay, January 6th, I wanted to share this with you. Okay, I think that this will be it for now. And I thank you for watching.